Petulant means easily annoyed or childish in behavior. Example, he gave a petulant reply when asked to wait. The next word is penurious, means extremely poor, lacking money. Example, he lived a penurious life despite his hard work. Next word is ambroglio, means a confusing or complicated situation. Example, the whole situation turned into an ambroglio. The next word is phlegmatic, means calm and unemotional. Example, she remained phlegmatic even in stressful situation. The next word is zany, means funny in a crazy or silly way. Example, his zany jokes made everyone laugh. The next word is parsimonious, means extremely frugal or unwilling to spend money. Example, he is parsimonious when it comes to spending.